everyone and welcome to my channel. I created this channel to help beginners, rookies and newbies to start a relaxed and happy gluten-free lifestyle without dying in the process. Today I'm going to talk about my Christmas planner because, you know, when you're gluten-free, Christmas is a challenge. So I created this Christmas planner because I wanted to have a gluten-free Christmas. Throughout the years, I started to gather some really nice recipes that obviously I changed because I always change recipes. But I wrote them down. So I have put them into my Christmas planner. Every single very good recipe I have is inside this planner. And it is gluten-free with vegetarian, dairy-free, or vegan options. It means when you open this planner, you can actually make your own menu, which is awesome because if you're vegan or if you have vegan people at home for Christmas dinner, you want to have some vegan options. So how to use my Christmas planner? It is super easy. You just have to print it. You have two sizes, one like normal A4 sheets and one that can be cut in two parts for small planners like mine. This is an A5. And you go to page 48 and 49 and check what you want to cook for your Christmas dinner. So on page 49, I have gluten-free vegan options, all the gluten-free vegan options. So if you have very special allergy, picky persons and stuff, you can definitely make a totally gluten-free vegan dinner. And you also have a special gluten-free, dairy-free list. So if you have like dairy intolerant people and you want to make sure that your Christmas dinner has absolutely no dairy whatsoever, yes you can. Then you can check all the recipes. They are all for 4 persons, so you do the math if you're more or less. You have the ingredient list and you also have on the back of every single recipe sheet, you have the shopping list for the recipe. So when you're at the supermarket, you can make sure you have everything on hand. Let's go back to page 48. This is where you make your menu planner. You actually choose from all those options and you make your own personalized Christmas menu. Then you have the chronology lists. This is awesome. If you cook a lot, you know what I mean. So you take your highlighter and you highlight the recipes that you are going to make. And then you follow the chronology. It's very simple. You start 50 minutes or one day before or 50 minutes before your Christmas dinner and you can make everything within an hour without being too stressed because the sweet potatoes aren't baked or the chicken isn't ready yet. This year, in 2020, I'm going to give you a gift because I think that 2020 has been a very hard year for a lot of people. So my gluten-free Christmas planner is going to be for free during 20 days. So you check in the link in the description box below and you'll have both sizes of my Christmas planner ready to print. It took me several years to gather all the great recipes for my Christmas planner and to make everybody happy because this is a very important thing. You always have like allergy intolerant people or vegan, vegetarian, keto, etc. and you never know how to make everybody happy. So I think this is going to make everybody happy. I hope this is going to be the solution for your Christmas dinner. I know it's going to be mine. Of course, don't forget to tag me on social media. I have Instagram and Facebook. If you use this Christmas planner, I hope it is going to help you a lot. I wish you a Merry Christmas 2020 and I hope to see you in 2021.